Hey there, fellow foodies! Welcome back to my vlog. Today I'm super excited to share with you one of my favorite fruits, the dragon fruit. From its stunning appearance to its numerous health benefits, I'm going to take you on a journey to explore this amazing fruit. So, let's dive in. So, what exactly is a dragon fruit, also known as pitaya? This fruit comes from the cactus family and is a native to Central and South America. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a great addition to a healthy diet. Dragon fruits are packed with benefits. They are rich in vitamin C, which boosts your immune system. They also contain vitamin B, which helps with energy production. Plus, they're rich in fiber, which supports healthy digestion. And with its antioxidant properties, dragon fruits can help protect against cell damage and inflammation. Now, let's talk about how to enjoy dragon fruits. You can eat them raw, add them to salads, blend them into smoothies, or even grill them. So, where can you find dragon fruits? You can usually find them at Asian markets or well stocked supermarkets. When choosing dragon fruits, look for ones with bright, even colors and slightly soft skin. A slight give when you press the skin is a good sign that it's ripe and ready to eat. That's it for today's vlog on dragon fruits. I hope you learned something new and got inspired to try this amazing fruit. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more foodie adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Wait. Not yet. All right, guys, so we're able to harvest a very big dragon fruit.